Nice spot for a afternoon lunch. Oh, there's also a competition. So a month ago I published my 200th video, which is a pretty good excuse to have a competition. Another excuse is that I've finally gotten around to building my super duper boards and started writing the firmware for them. I'll be giving away 2 of my prototype super duper logger boards, one to regular subscribers and another to patrons. I also have a spare NanoPi Neo and NanoPi Neo Air with case, remote control and SD card to give away. And what do you have to do to win? Well, I'm really stuck for a logo for my new snazzy super duper boards. So all you have to do is come up with a really good logo, and I'll pick the best one for my regular subscribers and another one for my patrons. If you're one of my patrons, of course, you'll double your chances of winning, and you'll get to see what I've learned in the last couple of years as a YouTuber. Here's a bit of a taste. That's something I learned in my 35-year-long IT career, which is don't be better, be different. I don't want to be better than any other YouTuber out there. I just want to do my own thing in my own way, and if people learn something from my experiences, then I've achieved my goal. Which brings me to my next point. YouTube fame isn't something I want, but unfortunately it's something that I will definitely need to reach my goal. If anyone goes into this whole YouTube thing thinking they can make a quick buck, then forget it. Being a YouTuber is like anything else. Persistence, dedication and hard work, and also time. You can check out the details on how to enter and also a bit more about these super duper boards by going to my website. So cheers, may the best man win. You'll double your chances of winning, and you also get to snee